I will destroy you.
I love you, Danny. I love you, Danny. I will start. Okay.
Hi. Hey, which kind of house be this now? Huh? See like where they just the girl last week don't spoil. Everything for this house na fake. Huh? Plumber where you carry come fake. Landlord himself fake.
Only you waka come.
Fake. I don't know which kind of house be this. But it's not time for this house. If not to collect house rent now, they go the first person. I don't understand this kind of thing. See as person go there house they complain plumbing work no good. They come do plumber. No go dey work. Can't work plumbing work this. This house don't tire me sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I hear you talk say plumber now.
Yeah, I mean the plumbing work where they do, I know they work again.
Hi!
The country where they do.
Fake plumber then they do for now.
Everything fake. Even landlord where they live there na fake man.
Hi! My brother, I'm a plumber.
Child.
Yes. Digital plumber. Bluetooth. Bluetooth.
You be mumu.
Everything.
You think say they wise?
Professional plumber. There's nothing you want. I will plumb it for
That
you.
is what I'm looking for.
That's what
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Whatever you want, I'll give it to you.
Also, you get collectives. I know how this fake thing or whether they do there.
Fake material.
Correct.
Look at him. I have materials. Don't. Look at this one. This one is the one that he used to say in case the pipe is about to break. You hold the pipe. You open it. Look at it. I have two, so digital plumber. This one is the one you use to hold it down, tight it.
Did you stop breast milk when you are small? Abi is kunu they used to train you.
This one
From the second month that they
when the
bought.
pipe is trying to adjust to the west or move to the west. This one here get the measure east and north and west. And this one, in case you want to plug the water to the Hey, in case this one again, maybe like emergency. When I come to your house, there's some emergency. You know the country is hard. You use this one.
You bring chain. Say you dey train dog.
Okay, I don't train God now. I know you train
I dey lose chain. Why go use chain dog? I do it.
Oga, no.
I see how one man you do plumbing work.
Oga, you don't know. You are an old man.
You see carry spoon come. They say you're a charity organization.
Oh man, I know this. I know they do charity in case there's country.
Will you keep quiet?
Oga, no, they want me.
Take time.
This is that plumber. Look at Bluetooth connected.
See, I don't the vest before you come here. You can't carry another vest.
Where you the vest? Oga, you don't do anything. You don't do anything. I be this start. Oga.
He shock you.
Oga, beg. Hey, you don't back
I'm going to